question about the area of a trapezium. So we need to know the formula for the area of a trapezium, and it's given to you in the front of the exam paper. We add the parallel sides, A and B, divide by 2, multiply by the perpendicular distance between them. Now in this case, A is the 4 up here, so A is 4, and B is K, and the H is this root 3. And we're told that the area of this trapezium is 5 root 6. So using the formula then, so a half A plus B, well that's going to be, I'm going to write it as K plus 4, and then multiplied by root 3, that is going to equal the area of the whole thing, which is 5 root 6. First thing I'm going to do is multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the fraction. The half then is going to disappear. Let's write it as root 3 times K plus 4, and if I multiply the right hand side by 2, that's just going to give me 10 root 6. Okay, next thing I need to do, I'm going to divide both sides by that surd. So I'm going to divide by root 3. Now one of the things that you need to know about surds, and you should know this anyway, the square root of A over B is the same as the square root of A divided by the square root of B. So what I'm going to do, on the left hand side, the surd is now gone and I'm left with K plus 4, and on the right hand side I've got 10 root 6 over root 3. And using this identity up here, root 6 over root 3 is just the same as the square root of 6 over 3, and 6 over 3 is 2, so that's just root 2. So the left hand side now is K plus 4, the right hand side is the same as 10 root 2. All I need to do now to find K is to subtract 4 from both sides, so K is now 10 root 2, take away 4. Now the question said write it in the form A root B minus C, and that's what I've done here. So actually A is 10, B is 2, C is 4.